The Bible's core message, made clear. Welcome to the Bible Point. Today, through the Gospel of John, we will examine what kind of people Jesus especially cherished and loved. When Lazarus of Bethany became ill and was near death, his sisters, Martha and Mary, sent a message to Jesus, saying, "The one you love is sick. Please come and heal him." The Bible records how Jesus related to this family. Now Jesus loved Martha and her sister and Lazarus. Whenever Jesus went to Jerusalem, he stayed at this house, sharing meals and conversations with them. Those around them knew well how much Jesus loved this family. But one question arises: if Jesus truly loved them, why was this family so poor and struggling? Lazarus, the older brother, was unable to work due to illness, and Martha struggled day by day to care for her ailing brother. Mary, the youngest, had to sell herself to make a living. We often think that when we say, Jesus loves us, it means he will solve our poverty, heal our sickness, and restore our lives. But Jesus did not change their circumstances. Therefore, the Lord's love is not about solving problems. Jesus' love is simply loving them as they are, a love that draws even closer and remains with them all the more when they are poor and weak. If Jesus were to instantly resolve every hardship in this world, everyone would be forced to believe in him. Yet the Lord has chosen not to act this way until the last day, when God's kingdom is fully realized. Therefore, his people must believe that the weaker and poorer they are on this earth, the more the Lord esteems them and draws near. As the hymn says, "The more I am weak, the more he esteems me, for the Lord's love is directed toward the weak." From this perspective, a close relationship with Jesus is more important than living comfortably or well on this earth. Through Lazarus' family, we gain another insight: no matter how difficult or trying the circumstances, we can still be used for God's glory. Lazarus became an instrument through which many came to believe in Jesus by dying and being raised to life again. His youngest sister, Mary, when Jesus was in agony before his crucifixion, broke her alabaster jar of costly perfume in devotion. The fragrance of that perfume became a great source of strength and comfort to Jesus. The world regarded this family as cursed, yet God accomplished his most glorious work through them. The same is true for us. No matter how difficult or exhausting life becomes, God uses us as instruments to fulfill his will. That is precisely why we live on this earth. When we look at the three siblings whom Jesus loved, we can confess, the poorer and weaker a person is, the more insignificant they seem, the more they are precisely the ones under Jesus' special protection. Jesus bestows greater love and protection upon the weak and humble than upon those who accomplish great things in the world. And through them, God's work is accomplished. This truth brings deep comfort to those of us who have no one to rely on but Jesus.